Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to get free Roblox shirts. So firstly, we need to open up our browser, and in the search panel, we'll type Roblox, then left click on Roblox. Now go to the official website of Roblox. After that, we'll go to the marketplace. From here, in order to buy a shirt, go to clothing section. Then click on shirt. In here, you'll find all the shirts. In order to find a free shirt, in the price tab, set minimum to 0 and maximum to 0, then click on go. After that, all the free shirts will be shown in here, and from here you can purchase any of those. You can also do this for the classic shirts. So go to the classic shirts, and all the free classic shirts will be showing in here, and you can buy any of them from here into your inventory. So I'll buy this one, so I'll add it to my cart, then click on buy and click get now. After the purchase is complete, if I go to my inventory, then classic clothing, classic shirt, I'll see that the shirt is currently in my inventory and I can use it in any game I want. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.